Just minutes after the Election Commission announced the dates for the assembly polls in Delhi, it's a fierce fight which is breaking out. The Aam Aadmi Party, the BJP and the Congress indulging in confrontational politics with less than a month to go before the capital decides. With the BJP yet to name the chief ministerial candidate, will the Modi magic deliver the state to the party?
The date of poll, the 7th February, Saturday.
With that announcement, the Election Commission flagging off the final countdown for the big Delhi contest.
100% भारतीय जनता पार्टी सरकार बनाएगी, हमको इसके बारे में कोई भी संदेह नहीं है।
आम आदमी पार्टी तो पूरी तरह से तैयार है और हम बहुत दिन से इन तारीखों का इंतजार कर रहे थे।
दिल्ली की जनता के आशीर्वाद और सार्थक मुद्दों को लेकर कांग्रेस सरकार बनाने के लिए पूर्णतः उत्साहित है।
For the key players, it's now a fight for prestige. Probably why the Congress is now banking on former Union Minister Ajay Maken to revive its sinking fortunes.
I'll be doing whatever the party wants me to do, but one thing is, being from Delhi, I have to play some role in Delhi, campaign for the Congress in Delhi, and in Delhi I have one of my parliamentary constituencies also from Delhi.
It's Ajay Maken, who in the past 1 year has grown fairly close to Rahul Gandhi. He's seen as a young leader of the Congress party who's not had any taint against his name even while he was a minister in UPA 1 and 2. So in that sense, the Congress perhaps finding him a much more suitable candidate to lead its election in the capital.
But Arvind's Aam Aadmi Party is unperturbed by the Congress's poll strategy, instead indulging in a not-so-arm celebration to enjoy a victory.
They have erred, they have committed a mistake, and it is black money that they are throwing, that they're disposing. You cannot dare to throw hard-earned money. And the Aam Aadmi Party has to come to the forefront and has to answer to the people of Delhi.
This is not just unacceptable a few days before the elections. This is unacceptable behavior for an Aam Aadmi Party volunteer or candidate at any point of time.
And the BJP, which is hoping to ride on the Modi wave for the Delhi conquest, has the political temperature soaring with its move to appease government officials by giving a nod for the revision of their pay scale.
Correct or wrong, they are panicky. The Prime Minister and the BJP thinks that they cannot have a cakewalk in Delhi because they thought that they could get other states. So the similar way they are claiming that Delhi also. Delhi is different.
This shows that how they are trying to influence the elections on the eve of election. If you are making such an announcement, that shows firstly you are jittery. You are not confident about that you are going to win elections. So you are going to influence a section of the voters.
After a dramatic 49-day bailout a year ago, Kejriwal and team hoping to make a comeback, while the BJP led by Modi using the same 49-day bailout to repeat its Maharashtra and Haryana feat. Bureau Report, Times Now.